Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. हाँ बेटा, हमने कहाँ तक पढ़ लिया ये चैप्टर? हम लोगों ने कहाँ तक करा है हमारी क्लास में? वंश, एज भी हमने कहाँ तक कर लिया बेटा?
Ma'am, ma'am, last time I was reading on the topic. Ma'am, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan.
फिर
Ma'am, I
सही
have
है।
read it.
हाँ, ओके। एंड एट्थ ए, वेयर हैव वी डन? एनी आइडिया एज? Who has sent me the PDF of the chapter? Has anyone sent?
Ma'am, in our class, no reading was done.
In your class, no reading has been done. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. Sure. So let's continue. And 8B, have you seen all the videos of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's all completed in HB.
Mama chapter completed.
HB chapter has been completed.
Yes, ma'am, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can someone send me the PDF of the chapter?
What?
PDF of the chapter. Vansh has
Okay,
been
ma'am.
sent me. I think Vansh has sent me.
Ma'am, Arjun have sent.
Arjun, okay, don't send. I have it. Arjun has sent me. So if we talk about the full reading, so Pratna Samaj we have discussed about HB.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Mission.
Yes, ma'am.
Swami Dayananda and the Arya Samaj.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
B. Salingam. पढ़ा था उनके बारे में भी, मुझे याद आ रहा
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? ज्योतिबा फुले।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
महात्मा गांधी के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा हमने, बुरा मान जाएंगे।
ma'am नहीं पढ़ना.
अरे, so if you have done, then what I was thinking is, so 8B could do the short question answers today. In the meanwhile, I'll teach 8A. Shall we do it like that?
Okay, ma'am.
And 8A, we are discussing the short question answers. You can also mark these right now with us. And then I'll
Okay.
teach you and you can do it later. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mhm. So question number 1 is, name some social evils prevailing in the Indian society in 19th century.
Ma'am, may I tell?
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, child remarriage, widowhood,
Child remarriage, sati pratha. विडो
polygamy.
रिमैरिज नहीं आएगा बेटा, फोर्स्ड विडोहुड आएगा सोशल इवल में. विडो रिमैरिज वाज नॉट अ सोशल इवल. ओके किड्स,
Girl
प्लीज.
infanticide.
Female infanticide, that would come. Any four you can write. Next is, who is known as father of Indian Renaissance?
Ma'am, Raja Ram
Raja
Mohan
Ram
Roy.
Mohan Roy.
Rajaram Mohan Roy.
Absolutely correct. When was Brahma Samaj founded?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1830.
Mhm.
yes, ma'am, 1930.
I think, yeah. So Red Brahmo Samaj was founded in 1830.
30.
1830. Okay. Next question. Name the founder of Prathna Samaj. Who founded the
Ma'am,
Prathna?
Rajaram.
Mahadev, Ma'am, RJ Bandarpur and Mahadev Govind Ranade.
Right. It is given on page number
72.
72. Right. So, Prathna Samaj was founded by R.G. Bhandarkar and Mahadev Govind Ranade in 1867 in Bombay. पूरा लिख देना, ठीक है? तो हर चीज कवर हो गई. It was founded by R.G. Bhandarkar and Mahadev Govind Ranade in 1867 in Bombay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question is, yes. Name one social reformer who represented Hinduism at the World Parliament of Religions held at Chicago.
Ma'am, Swami Vivekanand.
Yes, ma'am. Swami Vivekanand.
Yes, it would be Swami Vivekanand.
Ma'am, in 1893.
Yeah, in 1891. There's a date also given at Chicago in September 1893. Okay, so we can write Swami Vivekanand represented India or Hinduism at the Parliament of World Religions held in Chicago in September 1893. In bracket you will write USA. Okay, complete you will write. It is given on page number नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. 73. Page number 73. First paragraph, last fourth line. I hope everybody found it. मिल गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, 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 good. Next question is, who gave the clarion call back to Vedas?
Ma'am, Swami
Ma'am,
Dayanand
Swami
Saraswati.
बहुत पढ़ लिया आप लोगों ने तो. सही है. स्वामी दयानंद who?
Ma'am, Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
Saraswati.
ऐसा मेंशन कहाँ किया इन लोगों ने? ये तो कहा है that he considered the Vedas as the storehouse of wisdom, but clarion call वाला कहीं mention है?
Yes, ma'am.
Given in the first paragraph only, Swami Dayanand, ma'am, last line.
Yeah.
Last line.
Correct.
Clarion call.
Correct. Right. The next question is, who was Ramakrishna Paramhans?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is given on page
Ma'am,
number
Ramakrishna
72.
Paramahansa
Ma'am, 72 page.
Center Saint. Ma'am,
Yes.
page number
Ma'am,
72, first paragraph
Yes.
of Ramakrishna Paramahansa.
बताओ आंसर.
Ma'am, Ramakrishna Paramahansa was a priest, a saint, was another significant socio-religious reformer of the 19th century.
Correct. Next question is, name a book written by Pandita Ramabai? कल बताया था बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बुक का नाम. ये बुक इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Ma'am, स्त्री पुरुष तुलना.
स्त्री पुरुष तुलना.
Yeah.
Next is, who was the founder of MAO College?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan.
Correct. So Syed Ahmed Khan. Yes, Samar.
Ma'am, can you repeat answer number 8?
Answer number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Just हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज नेम अ बुक रिटन बाय पंडित रमाबाई. स्त्री पुरुष तुलना.
ओके मैम.
हाँ. हु वाज द
मैम
फाउंडर? कॉलेज हो गया. हु वाज डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर?
मैम पेज नंबर 78.
हाउ यू राइट द आंसर बेटा?
Ma'am, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was an Indian Bahujan political leader and
Vansh, please quiet. Your voice is breaking. Somebody else is telling the answer.
Indian jurist,
Ma'am, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Bhujan political leader and a Buddhist revivalist.
Ma'am, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, scholar, Bahujan political leader, and a Buddhist
Buddhist
revivalist.
revivalist. He was the architect of the
He
Indian
was the
Constitution. Very important
architect of
point.
the.
Yes, very important point. ठीक है, next is who was Tarabai Shinde? Page number
Ma'am,
मैम
It is also
78.
in 78.
ma'am, page
78.
number 79.
He was a
Ma'am,
feminist activist who protested patriarchy and caste in the 19th century in India. यह स्त्री पुरुष तुलना इन्होंने भी लिखी है. स्त्री पुरुष तुलना उन्होंने भी लिखी है, पंडिता रामाबाई ने. ये लास्ट से भी कंफ्यूजन आया था.
वाला बचा है.
चलो ठीक है, हो गए हमारे शॉर्ट आंसर सारे.
मैम
Yes,
12th is left.
well,
Ma'am, 12th is remaining.
question number 12 is mention two steps taken by Rokia Shekhawat Hussain to uplift women. बताइए. बताइए बताइए. Who will tell us the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, page
Begum Rokeya was an inspiring figure who contributed much to the struggle to liberate women from the bondage of social milices. To raise popular consciousness, especially among women, she wrote a number of articles, stories, and novels, mostly in Bengali. Begum Rokeya used humor, irony, and satire to focus attention on the injustices faced by Bengali speaking Muslim women.
Correct. स्कूल से सेटअप किए थे कोई इन्होंने?
ma'am,
Yes, Ankit.
can we write it in points, this answer?
Yes, obviously you can write it in points. You can write only 2 points.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Done.
Okay, ma'am.
It be you can go back to doing your work, and please, I want you to finish these question answers in this lecture only and send them on the group. Okay. Okay, it's be.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. It's A. We haven't started the chapter yet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's begin with the chapter then. Morning, we have read some till here. Have we completed this in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Efforts to uplift the condition of women.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Students, we know that life was not easy for women in our country ages ago, and it still isn't. They were considered to be second-class citizens in society. But during 19th century, with the efforts of many leaders and reformers, women came into their own. But to enable women to stand on their own feet, it was important to educate them, to open their minds to more possibilities and give them more freedoms. Vidyasagar and some other reformers took initiative in this field. They started schools for girls in Calcutta and Bombay. But it was hard for society to accept this change. People felt that these schools might mislead their daughters. If girls were educated, they might dislike household work. People thought that while going to school, they would encounter the public and it might corrupt them. It was commonly believed that women were considered safe only within the walls of their home. Therefore, people who were a little liberal in their outlook towards women but did not like to send them to school arranged for private tutors for them at home. Several women who desired to gain knowledge educated themselves. Do you remember the name of Rajsundari Devi, whom you read about in your previous session? She learned to read and write secretly at night under the light of a candle, as she was not allowed to read by her family members. Later, Arya Samaj came forward in Punjab and opened schools for girls. Jyotirao Phule did the same in Maharashtra. In North India, Muslim women of aristocratic families were taught the Quran in Arabic by women tutors at home. Reformers like Mumtaz Ali took help of the verses of the Quran and tried to make people understand that education was necessary for women also. We find that the first Urdu novels originated in the late 19th century. The message in the novels was to teach women about religion and house management. The Begums of Bhopal took a very important and active role in educating women in the 20th
So
century.
guys, still whatever we have read now, you could be seen in these videos, in this video particularly, that previously we have discussed at how many evils were existing in the society, how women and the people of different castes did not get the recognition and everything. But then you will be amazed to see that the people whom we are reading about now, the reformers, right? These reformers were themselves from the upper caste families and they did not like the privileges which had been given to them. Instead, they wanted to set up a society where everybody would get equally treated. है ना? So they have raised various concerns, they have set up schools, and they have tried to provide this to the बोलते हैं मतलब to provide equality to the citizens. चलिए आगे पढ़ते हैं. Like see how even the Begums of Bhopal have done a lot, opening schools and this and that.
They opened a primary school at Aligarh. A school for Muslim girls in Calcutta and Patna was started by Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hussain. She openly criticized conservative ideas, stating that all religious leaders considered women to be in.
बताइए. Arya Samaj came forward in where?
Punjab.
Punjab.
And opened schools for girls. Jyotirao Phule did the same in
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
a Muslim schools, a school for Muslim girls in
Calcutta.
Conservative.
and Patna was started by Begum Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain. She openly criticized
Conservative.
conservative ideas. Well done.
Inferior. The gates of universities and colleges were then opened to women. They chose to be doctors and teachers as well. Women writers started writing openly on topics relating to women. We find a book called Sri Purush Tulna, written by Tarabai Shinde, in which she criticizes the
Ab now Tarabai, that is what I was saying. Sri Purush Tulna is also written by Tarabai Shinde, and even for that also it is given to children. अभी हमने किनके बारे में लिखा था?
Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai.
Pandita Ramai. Let me check it once. स्त्री पुरुष तुलना बुक में तो दोनों के बारे में दिया हुआ है ना. ताराबाई
Yes, ma'am.
it is coming. in Google. So it is coming Tarabai Shinde only. Let me check Pandita Ramabai. Book written by Pandita Ramabai is the high caste Hindu women. ये हमारी book में नहीं given है ना बेटा? Is
No,
it
ma'am.
given in the book? लिख लो फिर ये.
Ma'am, it is given.
Given? High caste Hindu women.
Ma'am, the high caste women, it is given.
हाँ, so
Ma'am, the high caste in the
हाँ, so write
Tulna.
this in the answer. वो कट कर देना कि that स्त्री पुरुष तुलना is written by ताराबाई शिंदे only then. ठीक है? पता नहीं कि दोनों का नाम दे रखा है. ऐसा नहीं कि इन्होंने अलग लैंग्वेज में लिखी हो. Maybe.
स्त्री पुरुष तुलना, इधर स्त्री पुरुष तुलना.
Okay, Tarabai Shinde published a book named Stree Purush Tulna, meaning comparison between men and women. She critically analyzed the difference. On the other hand, Pandita Ramabai has also written the same book, but on the pathetic conditions of women. पता नहीं यार. ताराबाई शिंदे का नाम हमारे स्त्री पुरुष तुलना के लिए तो. So for her, for Pandita Ramabai, you write the name of the book, The High Caste Hindu Women. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
The societal difference between men and women. Tarabai Shinde was a woman from Pune who received education at home. We cannot forget the initiative by Pandita Ramabai, a great Sanskrit scholar in this matter. She opposed those practices of Hinduism that promoted ideas supporting differences between men and women. The miserable lives of upper caste women can be seen through her book. She also established a home of widows at Pune. These widows were tortured by the family members of their husbands. Here, women were given shelter as well as training to earn their livelihood. But these changes disturbed the minds of Orthodox Hindus and Muslims. They feared that their family values and cultures would be destroyed by
What is the meaning of orthodox?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Kattar.
पुरानी क्या बात है?
educating women.
उन लोग को लगता था कि अगर हम अपने कि लड़कियों को पढ़ाएंगे तो हमारी वैल्यूज खराब हो जाएंगी, लड़कियां बिगड़ जाएंगी, इनकी शादी नहीं हो पाएगी, they would be polluted, nobody would marry them. मतलब a lot of stereotypes they had in their minds for sending the girls to school.
They might be westernized if they were educated. All these things make it clear that by the end of the 19th century, women had taken the reins of reformation and education into their own hands. They were writing books, editing magazines, opening schools and training centers, and forming women's associations.
Who wrote Sri Purush Tulna, kids?
Ma'am,
ताराबाई शिंदे.
ताराबाई शिंदे.
तारा भाई नहीं है, तारा भाई है. थारा भाई जोगिंदर नहीं है. ओके गर्ल.
Yes, ma'am.
From 20th century onwards, they took a step further. We see that women had started to raise their voice against the laws that undermined their value. In this context, we may mention the right to vote that they were demanding. They also urged for better healthcare and education for women. They started participating in national and social movements. Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose and other such leaders supported their right to equality and freedom. National leaders assured them that they would also have their voice heard in new and independent India. Till then, these leaders demanded their active participation in freedom struggles. And it is important to note that this half population of the society played a significant role in making India an independent nation. Now, here is a quick recap of this session for your better understanding.
ठीक है children, so this is what we have read, that in 19th century बहुत सारी religious reformers they came, they supported women for the work for the education. बहुत सारे schools open up किए गए by विद्यासागर, आर्य समाज, ज्योतिराव फुले, बेगम्स ऑफ भोपाल and many reformers. लिबरल पीपल इनिशियली, सब लोग तो अपनी बच्चों को, लड़कियों को बाहर नहीं भेज रहे थे, सो तो थोड़े से लिबरल, लिबरल का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? थोड़े से मॉडर्नाइज, थोड़े से ओपन माइंडेड जो थे, उन्होंने क्या किया कि हम स्कूल नहीं भेजेंगे और पढ़ाई करा देते हैं प्राइवेट ट्यूटर्स घर बुला के, राइट? बट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया इसमें वुमेन ने. दे themselves started educating their own selves. खुद पढ़ लूंगा, जिस दिन पढ़ लूंगी, दिस एंड दैट, राइट? So in 20th century, women questioned the laws that underestimated them. Okay. They also asked for the right to vote, better healthcare, and education, as well as right to equality. Now let's talk about caste and reform. अभी तक हमने बात कर ली women के लिए. Now we'll talk about how caste was brought up and how casteism had been ended.
Dear students, during the 19th century, we see many changes in our society. The entire society was shackled in the chains of caste system. There was inequality in castes also. Then social reformers came forward to eradicate this inequality from society. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a great thinker and reformer, translated an old Buddhist text and tried to make people understand that all men were equal before God. He was very critical of the caste system. The Prarthana Samaj, which was associated with Bhakti, did not believe in the caste system and preached spiritual equality of all castes.
जैसे अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि जिन लोगों ने एक बार
Mahabharata Mandali
जो लोग भक्तिज्म बिलीव करते ना, वो लोग इन कास्ट सिस्टम में बिलीव नहीं करते थे, ना ही वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करते थे. बिकॉज आप लोगों को याद है, आपने क्लास सिक्स में सेवेंथ में पढ़ा था बुद्धिज्म और जैनिज्म के बारे में, रिमेम्बर?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो
Yes.
हमने वहाँ पढ़ा था कि जब ये नए रिलीजन्स आए, बुद्धिज्म आया, जैनिज्म आया, तो लोगों को लगा कि वाई आर वी गेटिंग एक्सट्रेंज्ड इन दिस रिलीजन, इन हिंदुइज्म, राइट? जब यहाँ पे हमें ऐसा रिलीजन मिल रहा है जहाँ पे हमें तो सब इक्वली ट्रीट करेंगे, जहाँ पे कोई अपर कास्ट और लोअर कास्ट नहीं होगी. सो दैट इज द रीजन दैट these religions really attracted the females. चलो आगे पढ़ते हैं.
to abolish the caste system in the Indian society. It is noteworthy that most of these reformers belong to the upper caste. They tried to lead by example. Sometimes they took food with the lowest castes in secret meetings and did not mind their touch. This was done to remove caste prejudice from their lives. People then started raising their voices against the injustice.
Dear children, who among the following tried translate an old Buddhist text to make people aware of equality?
Ma'am, Rajaram Mohan Rai.
Rajaram Mohan Rai.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure, Garv. लॉक कर दे
Yes, ma'am.
लॉक कर दे गुड गर्ल आपको मिलते हैं 1000 और पॉइंट्स
done to the lower
हमें
class.
डाउट था.
Christian missionaries made education accessible to the children of tribal communities and lower castes. These children were then able to make their own path in the changing world. We see that people had started migrating to cities in search of jobs. Factories and municipalities were offering them jobs. We know that cities were expanding and creating new job opportunities for laborers. Diggers, coolies, carriers, bricklayers, sewage cleaners, sweepers, palanquin bearers, rickshaw pullers were required to construct planned cities. The poor people of villages and towns, mainly people of low castes, served this purpose. Some of the labor class people also migrated to the plantations of Assam, Mauritius, Trinidad, and Indonesia. It was not easy for them to adapt.
Can you tell me why the labor would have migrated to these areas? Why the labor would have migrated to these areas? क्यों गए होगे इन areas में? बताइए. Can anyone of you tell me?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The question is why the labor class people would have migrated to plantations of Assam, Mauritius, Trinidad, and Indonesia.
Ma'am, because there were the high production of tea leaves.
Ma'am, plantation, sir.
So let's go further. They would have migrated in search of jobs.
Themselves to the changed circumstances. But they felt it was better in comparison to the torture the rural upper caste landowners inflicted upon them.
Ma'am, what is palanquin bearers?
Right, children. Christian missionaries made education difficult for tribals and lower caste children. Is it true or false?
False. False.
Ma'am, false.
Correct. Next question. Next further.
We know that the Mahars were considered
Can you tell me which community Mahars belong to?
Ma'am, Shudras.
Hanji, Shudras, yeah, untouchables.
to be
Untouchable.
untouchable, but they had job opportunities in the army in the Mahar regiment. Caste was also a blessing in another case. Leather workers faced discrimination as they worked with dead animals, which was seen as dirty and polluting. During the World Wars, the army required vast quantities of shoes. As most people looked down on leather work, the traditional shoe and leather workers could quote high prices.
अब now see, पहले क्या था? Just because of working in the leather factories, these people were discriminated. Just क्योंकि leather factory में काम करते थे, तो इनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था कि भाई लेदर के साथ काम करते हैं, एनिमल हाइड के साथ काम करते हैं, इनको बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जाता था. बट देन दिस लेदर ओनली बिकेम अ बून फॉर देम. जब वर्ल्ड वॉर हुई, ठीक है, सो आर्मी में बूट्स की डिमांड आई. बूट्स किससे बनते हैं बेटा?
लेदर
लेदर से. अब लेदर माहर कम्युनिटी के अलावा कोई बना ही नहीं रहा था, कोई प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं करता था, तो इन लोग को तो फिर वो मिल गई ना, बोलते हैं क्या उसे, हमने मार्केट टाइम पे पढ़ा था बेटा.
प्रॉफिट हुआ।
अरे नहीं, मोनोपोली. मोनोपोली हो गई ना इनकी, कि इनके अलावा और कोई लेदर वर्क बेच ही नहीं रहा है, सिर्फ माहर कम्युनिटी बना रही है लेदर का काम. तो अब ये जितने भी चाहे उतने रुपए कोट कर सकते हैं, उतने रुपए पे अपना सामान बेच सकते हैं. उससे ही प्रॉफिट हुआ. अब जब प्रॉफिट हो गया, पैसा आ गया, देन these people started sending their kids to schools. अब जो मिशनरी स्कूल्स थे वो तो सारी कम्युनिटीज को बुला रहे थे ना, चाहे आप माहर हो चाहे आप कोई भी हो. दे हैड नो इश्यूज विद दैट. सो देन दे स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल. अब जब इन अनटचेबल्स के बच्चों ने एजुकेशन ली, देन दे स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग देयर ऑल दीज थिंग्स कि भाई ये तो हमारे साथ जो है वो गलत हो रहा है ना, दिस इज रॉन्ग. डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर के पापा खुद एक टीचर थे, एंड वो खुद एक इतना बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है. पढ़ो, सॉरी आर्मी में थे शायद, पढ़ते हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Massive profit.
यस, सॉरी.
For
यस सर.
instance,
Ma'am, do we have to
mother of
share
the
the
army
written work of question answers on the group?
हाँ जी बेटा, यू हैव टू सेंड देम ऑन द ग्रुप.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
मैम,
देखो.
who are palanquin bearers?
पैलेंकिन मतलब पालकी को बोलते हैं, पैलेंकिन बेयरर्स. पालकी उठाते थे ना पहले. ठीक है. सो बी आर अम्बेडकर के पापा जो थे वो खुद आर्मी स्कूल में टीचर थे. ठीक है. सो वो खुद टीचर बने, औरों को पढ़ाया, एंड जब वो खुद ये लोग टीचर्स बनने लगे, इस कम्युनिटी के लोग, एंड दे स्टार्टेड टीचिंग पीपल दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर फॉल्स. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन वगैरह सब गलत चीजें है ना.
Idkar, the leader of Dalit movement, was a teacher in an army school. Now let's have a quick recap of this session for better understanding.
समझ में आया बेटा जितना पढ़ा भी है? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच?
Yes.
यस. अभी हम नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे अभी, क्योंकि अभी क्या हो गया, अभी लेक्चर बनाने में ओनली 1 minute इज लेफ्ट. सो इट इज बेटर कि हम कुछ एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, after completing the work, we have to send it on group.
यस बेटा, यू आर सपोज टू सेंड इट ऑन ग्रुप. ये कैसी सी बात पूछ ली समझ.
Okay, ma'am.
वर्क तो भेजना ही है. बताओ, हु इज दिस पर्सन? He was the founder of an organization attempted to reform Hinduism. Tell me, who is he? स्वामी विवेकानंद.
स्वामी विवेकानंद.
यस, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. कौन है?